How to reduce PDF file size on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to ilovepdf.com. On this page, you can view and explore various tools you need to work with PDFs. Now, go to Compress PDF as shown. This tool reduces file size while optimizing for maximal PDF quality. Once you are here, tap on Select PDF File to select the file you want to compress. Now, choose the file you want to compress and then tap on Open. Then, tap on Compress PDF at the bottom. Your PDF has now been successfully compressed. Now, tap on Download Compressed PDF. You can now open and view your file from here. Following these steps, you can easily reduce PDF file size on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.